Hey everyone, this is Jake with Lights at Wholesale, and today we're going to talk about InvisiLights extensions, InvisiLights loom, when you need loom, and when the extensions are good enough just by themselves. Okay, so on their own, InvisiLights extensions and lights are going to be waterproof. They have rubber gaskets around all the connecting points, and they all screw together. Water's not going to get inside during any kind of rain, hail, snow. These are fine enough on their own for having a watertight connection. Loom is to help extend the life of InvisiLights extensions. Now what I mean by that is year after year, sun and other outdoor conditions and like critters like squirrels, mice, rats, they can shorten the lifespan of the InvisiLights lights and extensions. So we use the loom to extend that life by giving these protection from the sun and just other conditions that would cause the wiring to get brittle over time by being exposed to the elements. Now that being said, for our 24 volt system, we carry extensions that already have loom wrapped around them so that you don't have to do it. But if you choose to buy the loom and the extension standalone, you can buy these wire loom tools that we sell, and they help attach both of these types of loom, the 1/4 inch and the 1/2 inch, onto your extensions, okay, for the 24 volt or 36 volt systems. Now the 1/4 inch loom makes a really great slim protection for the extensions. However, it does not do a great job at covering or protecting the connectors. So for example, if you were to pick up a 6-foot connector and all you had to do was make a 6-foot extension, you would just cut a 6-foot piece of loom and wrap it around, the wire, and then you would just have your connectors exposed at the ends. If it's going to hide away inside of a soffit or go through a wall, you're going to be able to protect single strands of extensions really nicely with this 1/4 inch loom. Okay, now let's say that you need a 7-foot extension to get from one run of lights to another, or to make any, some type of jump. What you would need to do then is you would order a 6-foot extension and a 1-foot extension, and you would individually wrap these with the 1/4 inch loom. And then what you could do is take one of these 1-foot sections of 1/2 inch, and you could just, around your connectors that you're gonna have, you're just gonna cut a little section off, and this piece is gonna go over your connection point. So that way you have protection across the whole 7-foot section of your extensions, and you don't have any connectors exposed. Now, if you have any questions about InvisiLights, extensions, loom, the loom tool, we have a lot of great videos on our YouTube channel and also on our website. If you have questions about the product and what type of system you need for an install, or if you want to know more about our dealer program, reach out to us. Either give us a phone call or use our online chat feature, or you can send us messages here in the comments and we'll take good care of you. Thanks.